Hello there guys! For today's video, I'm going to show you how to make face surprise using AI tool in Photoshop. And also, we will dive deeper into duplicating of layers, using smart portrait under neural filters, masking, and using generative fill. So let's get started. So here in our document, I prepare here an image of this young girl. And our goal here is to turn her face into a surprise reaction. So the first step we're going to do here is we're going to create a duplicate layer of our background layer. So going on to the layers panel, click on the background layer to make it active. Then press Ctrl or Command plus J. Now I'm going to name this layer as surprised. And by the way, if you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Well, moving to the next step, click on the surprise layer, and now we're going to apply the neural filter. So go to the menu bar, go to filter, then find neural filters. Under the neural filters panel, choose on the smart portrait. Well, to apply the effect on it, you just have to click this toggle switch until it turns blue, like this. To apply the surprise effect, well, under the setting of the smart portrait, just go to expressions here, just click this arrow, then you're gonna see her surprise. So to make her surprise, all I'm gonna do is to click and drag this slider to the right, increasing the amount of it. Okay, so let's try it into amount of 40. There you go. All right, or we can put it on the fullest amount. All right, there. Okay, then for the output, make sure that is set to current layer. Now I'm going to hit OK. All right, I already made her face surprised, but you will notice here that there's something wrong on his mouth. Something like it's a bit ruined. Now our goal here is to fix this one. Okay, now let's deselect first because there's a selection around our image. Press Ctrl plus D to deselect. Now we're going to do the masking. So click on the surprise layer to make it active. Then click on the layer mask to add. All right, there you go. Click on the layer mask thumbnail of the surprise layer. Then let's get on the brush tool, or you can just press B for the shortcut key. All right, so from the options on top, I'm going to set the opacity to 70%, the flow into 100, and also the smoothing into amount of 15. All right, now also for the brush, I'm going to set the hardness to 0% because I'm just going to use here a soft round brush. Okay, all right, there are. Okay, and then for the foreground color, I'm going to switch this one to black, right? Because our aim here is to bring back the feature of the teeth of this young girl, all right? So let's start doing that. Okay, so let's see first if the brush size is enough. Okay, all right, then let's start bringing back the teeth over here. All right, so you see that? So that's the original teeth of our subject, right? All right, now it's already back. That's okay. All right, let's just switch this one to white for the foreground color, and then let's paint here down here. All right, okay, there. That's okay now. Now the next step we're gonna do here is we're going to use the generative fill to fix on the mouth. All right, so to do that, with the surprise layer selected, let's go and get the lasso tool. So going on to the toolbar, find the lasso tool here, or just press L for the shortcut key. Now, I'm going to start drawing a selection on this area. All right, I'm not going to include the teeth of our subject. All right, just something around here. There you go. Then go to the contextual taskbar. Well, if you can't locate that, you can just go to the menu bar, go to Windows, and find here contextual taskbar. Just click that up. All right, now with this selection on the contextual taskbar, hit on Generate Fill. I won't put any prompt to it. Let it generate instantly. All right, so once I did that, it instantly fixed on our subject's mouth. All right, so here's the first variation. You can go to the properties panel and check on the others. Here's the second one, and here's the third one. All right, So I'm not into it. So if you're not satisfied with those variations, let's go and click generate once again under the properties panel, or you can also click that on the contextual taskbar. So let's click that again to generate more variations. All right, so here are the other variations that are added. Okay, let's go to the properties panel. Okay, all right, now this seems good, and this one seems good as well. All right, so I guess from all the variations that are provided, okay, I'll go with this. All right, that's okay now. And that's how it goes. Okay, now let me show you the before and after. This one is the before, and this one is the after. And that is how to make faces surprise using AI tool in Photoshop.